Welcome to the CCN News Desk. Today we're talking about concealed carry, firearms, and reciprocity laws in Louisiana. Louisiana, home to Mardi Gras. Now hey guys, remember, this is not legal advice. Please consult your state's official government website prior to acting on anything stated in this broadcast. And as always, for the most up-to-date information, please visit Louisiana's reciprocity map on concealedcoalition.com. Let's kick it off with our first question. Kate?
Does Louisiana recognize constitutional carry? Basically, does Louisiana allow you to carry a gun without a permit? No. Unfortunately, constitutional carry is illegal in Louisiana. Does Louisiana allow open carry of guns? This is legal to anyone 18 years or older who is permitted to own a firearm, but there are location limitations on open carry within the state. Is concealed carry legal in Louisiana? Louisiana requires that residents have a concealed handgun permit, or CHP, to concealed carry. They must also pass a state-approved firearms training course and be 21 or older. How difficult is it to obtain a carry permit in Louisiana? Louisiana is a shall-issue, permitless carry state, so you don't need a license to carry your concealed weapon. Licenses are available in the form of a CCDW though, which ensures your right to carry is protected in other states. Training is mandatory to receive your license, and the state police handles the permits.
Can you carry a concealed handgun in a vehicle in Louisiana? Yes, per the Louisiana State Police Concealed Handguns Frequently Asked Questions, under most circumstances, carrying a handgun in a motor vehicle is legal in Louisiana. Can you carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas in Louisiana? Yes, you can carry a concealed firearm at roadside rest areas in Louisiana if not posted otherwise. Can you carry a concealed firearm in state and national parks, state and national forests, and wildlife management areas in Louisiana? Yes, with a Louisiana concealed handgun permit, or a permit from the state Louisiana recognizes. Can you carry a concealed firearm in bars and restaurants that serve alcohol in Louisiana? Any establishment that sells alcoholic beverages for consumption on the premises is off limits for concealed carry permit holders. For restaurants with bars, the bar areas are off limits. What's the loneliest place in all of Louisiana?
What?
Bayou Self.
Why did Louisiana arrest the Mississippi River?
Why?
It had a dirty mouth. How many states recognize my Louisiana permit? 18 states recognize full reciprocity in Louisiana, and 19 states recognize reciprocity with restrictions in Louisiana. Where can't I carry a concealed firearm in Louisiana? Louisiana state law prohibits concealed carry in any location prohibited by state regulation or law, or by federal law, private property or residences that prohibit firearms, schools, campuses or buses, polling places, jails, prisons or detention facilities, state capitol building, courtrooms and courthouses, prohibited airport areas unless the gun is legally checked as baggage, casinos, any area of an establishment selling alcohol for on-premise consumption, demonstration or parades undertaken with government permission, meeting places of government authorities, law enforcement buildings. Call ahead to ask about your firearms policy of any intended destination and consult with the relevant law enforcement office in that area. What is the legal age for handgun purchase in a concealed carry permit in Louisiana? The minimum age is 21 years old. Can I bring my concealed firearm to another state when I visit? Yes, Louisiana shares reciprocity with 37 additional states. Please refer to the concealedcoalition.com's reciprocity maps for more information.
Can you carry or possess a firearm on hotel property in Louisiana? Hotels are private businesses and can set their own rules. Concealed carry licensees should always check with the hotel to clarify their position in advance. Do you have a duty to notify a police officer that you're carrying a concealed firearm in Louisiana? Yes, it's legally required to tell the officer that you are licensed for concealed carry and if you are currently carrying. Are no weapons allowed signs enforced in Louisiana? No, these signs are not enforced in Louisiana. Does Louisiana have any red flag laws? Nope. There are no red flag laws in Louisiana. Does Louisiana state law define brandishing? No, but it does cover negligent firearm conduct. Does Louisiana have laws regarding carrying a concealed firearm while using alcohol or chemical substances? Nope, no law is present at this current time. What do you call a white person from Louisiana?
What?
A Caucasian.
What differentiates a zoo in Louisiana from other zoos?
What?
The Louisiana Zoo has a description of the animal in front of the cage, along with the recipe. Can you conceal carry weapons other than handguns in Louisiana with a concealed carry license? No. A Louisiana concealed handgun permit only allows for the concealed carry of handguns. Is it legal to own a taser or a stun gun in Louisiana? Yes, it is legal to own a taser or a stun gun in Louisiana. Is it legal to buy or use chemical spray or pepper spray in Louisiana? Louisiana has no restrictions in regard to chemical spray or pepper spray. However, you must be 18 years or older to purchase. Does Louisiana have magazine capacity restrictions for handguns? Louisiana does not have a restriction on magazine size. Does Louisiana have ammunition restrictions? Yes, armor-piercing ammunition is restricted.
Does Louisiana issue concealed carry licenses to non-residents? No, unless they are active military stationed there. Does Louisiana allow the public to access concealed carry registry information through public records law? There is no public access to this information. Is a permit required to purchase a handgun in Louisiana? Louisiana does not require a permit to purchase a firearm. Are background checks required for private gun sales in Louisiana? Neither federal nor Louisiana law requires private sellers to initiate a background check when transferring a firearm. Do handguns need to be registered in Louisiana? There is no legal requirement to register firearms in Louisiana. What is the minimum age to possess and transport a handgun in Louisiana? The minimum age is 18.
Well, that's all the time we have for you today. Thanks for tuning into CCN, your Concealed Coalition Network, helping you protect what matters most. I'm Kate.
And I'm Sam.
And remember to be a guardian always and a warrior when needed.